Hello everyone, this is Shadin. Today in this tutorial video we will install Xampp and WordPress. WordPress is a technology by which we can create a website uh, by any other prior without any other prior knowledge of backend programming language or front-end programming language. We can create a website for our own purpose or for business purpose. uh, so this is a very simple technology, anyone can use it. So before start of the WordPress tutorial, day by day, one by one, I will give you all of this tutorial. But at first, in this first session, first tutorial, first I would show you how to install WordPress and where is the WordPress home site you can download it, and also the uh, to start WordPress also the you need to install a Xampp. So at first you need to install Xampp and WordPress, so there is a lots of step is there, so I will show you one by one. So to install WordPress, at first you have to install Xampp. So first open any browser. In my case I am using Google Chrome. So in the Google Chrome, uh, just type download Xampp. Okay, download Xampp, and in the first section you can see download Xampp, apachefriend.org. So here you can see Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux, and Xampp for also Mac OS. So whatever the platform, whatever the operating system you are using, you can choose from here your appropriate or compatible version. So in my case I am using Windows, so definitely I will go for that. Here you can see also see there is a lots of different version of Xampp is present here, 7.4, PHP 8 point. So try to download the latest version. So I am downloading its latest version 8.1.1. Okay, so already I have downloaded in my download section. In my download section you can see already I have downloaded the Xampp. But again I am showing you how to install Xampp. So after installing Xampp, it's downloading Xampp, install Xampp. Okay, and in this tutorial video I am not going to cover that, because already I think you can download it. You can also install Xampp. So in my cases, the Xampp has installed in the C drive. C drive here you can see this folder. So if you successfully install the Xampp, then automatically you can find that there is a folder has created in your C drive, not within the program files, but directly within the C drive you can uh, see this Xampp folder. Okay, and within this Xampp folder there is a lots of different folders there, but there is a basically two folders necessary, that is htdocs and this tomcat folder is also necessary. So in my case I will use htdocs folder, because this folder is a root directory where you can put all your website data, where the your data will be fetched by the local server. Okay, so definitely we will go through that, but right now htdocs is a different folder. htdocs is a very important folder. So I have downloaded Xampp. Now I have to install WordPress. Okay, so to download WordPress, same technique we will apply. Just open Google and write download WordPress. So the first site you can go, the wordpress.org. Here you can download and install. and download WordPress 5.8.3. This is the latest version for the Windows. So here you can download the WordPress. I have already downloaded it. So in my cases, that is in the WordPress folder. So the WordPress, you can see this is in compressed or zip form. So you have to extract it. So to extract it, right click on the on that file and extract. Okay, you can use it using Windows 7 own extractor or any other third-party software, Win 7 or WinZip, any other third-party software you can use to extract it. So after extracting, there is a lots of different folder or directory will be there. Okay, so let extract it. So it will take some time. It will take some time because lots of files and lots of different folder is there. So all we need to extract. So this is basically WordPress, and after extracting it we will cut or copy all of this file and we will put it into the htdocs folder, into the Xampp. Okay, so let extract it. Okay, now our extraction has complete. uh, the WordPress zip file has extracted into a folder. So let's see what is inside the folder. In this folder you can see there is another folder WordPress, and within this folder there's a lots of file is there. So actually what we need to do right now, we have to cut this folder or copy. You can, so you can, I am cut or copy. Okay, I am cutting this whole folder and paste it in the C drive Xampp htdocs here. Paste it over here. The whole WordPress folder, you just copy it or cut it and paste it over here. Okay, and you can keep the same name as like WordPress in my case, or you can change the name, and you can give your name as your website name. The which particular website you will create, you can give this name, or in my case you can change it also later. Okay, so the WordPress download, extraction and copy paste is complete. Now what we need to do, we need to run our local server. At first we need to run our local server, because without local server any web project or any website cannot be run. Okay, so at first we need to install the local server, which we have done already. That is in our case we have installed Xampp, and and now right now we need to run our server. So to run our server you need to search for Xampp, yes, Xampp control panel. So if you click Xampp control panel, okay, then you will find Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat, lots of module here. So Apache is a local server. Apache is a local server. MySQL, in case of it, is it's a database, local database. FileZilla is also a software, by FTP software. So and Tomcat is also this. Mercury is also a FTP software, and Tomcat is also a local server. So there you can see Apache and Tomcat is a both are local server. So here in my case I will use Apache server for WordPress. So to uh, uh, run Apache server, at first in my case I have already started. So let me stop. So in your cases it will be look like this. Apache to so start this Apache server, just click start, and in MySQL also start. So right now I have successfully started my Apache server, and as well as I have started my MySQL local server, local database. Okay, so if the Apache server and the local server has successfully started, to check it out, you need to go to the web browser again, and in the URL section just write down localhost colon 80, localhost colon 80, and hit a enter. So if you see this page, if you are seeing this page, that means you have successfully installed your local server, and also you have successfully run your local server. So local server is running, that is why this page is coming. Okay, after this page coming, you just need to go php my admin, php my admin. So here in this PHP MyAdmin section, you need to create a database which we necessary in the WordPress installation, because in the WordPress installation section we need to give a database name. So here I am giving test, test. Okay, and you can leave it, you can leave it, or you can give collation test, database name is test, and create. So here you can see one new database has created in my database section. So lots of database was previously there, and uh, also I have created one database, that is test. Okay, so now go to browser section. Now go to browser section again, create a open a new tab, and in here write localhost slash WordPress. Here, this is the WordPress setup configuration page. Here you can see localhost /WordPress. So first time you will get this page. So I am definitely choose English language. So English, and continue. Uh, Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding. So database name, this information will require database name, database username, database password, database host. So let's go. Okay, database name which I have created before in PHP my admin section. The name I am giving here test. Username you can give root. Password leave it blank right now. Database host, in my cases I'm right now I'm using localhost. And table prefix, table prefix means in this test database whatever the table you will create, it will take this prefix name automatically. So you can give it or you can leave it at as per your choice. Okay, so I'm leaving it wp underscore, and all the table will be created in this format, and just hit the submit. So this either means that the username and password information wp config file is incorrect, or we can't contact the database server at localhost. So sometime you will see this kind of error. Database is that means I have not properly given the uh, right information into wp config. So let's try again. Keep password. Here password field has not blanked. Okay, now you can see you have made it through the part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now. Okay, run the installation. So here you can see we have successfully installed our WordPress, and now the final stage. In this section, information is site title, whatever website we are looking for. This site title, in my case, I am giving my case test website, test website. I am this is username password you need to provide, because whenever you need to log in your WordPress, you have to provide this username or password. So in my case I am giving admin, and I will give admin, password also admin. So this password is you can choose. Also try to give a standard password and confirm weak password. You have to provide one email ID. So in somehow if you forgot your password, then password reset link can be sent to this email ID. So I am giving my email ID over here. And last option is search engine visibility. So if you want your website to be found by search engine, maybe Google or Bing or Yahoo search, then you just leave it blank. Or other, if you don't want your website searched by Google, then just check this box. Okay, now install WordPress. uh, it will take a little bit of time. So here you can see uh, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. So in my case, I have given my username and password. So now login. Okay, same username. I am going to use admin, and the password is also okay. Now the dashboard has opened. So this is how you can install WordPress in your local system, and step by step. So in our next tutorial video, we will show how to create a website page and post and whatever your website, and there is a lots of plugin is there. So step one by one I will show you all of the WordPress website, all about the WordPress website. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to get more this kind of tutorial video, then you can subscribe our channel. Thank you.